Is your keto diet causing unexpected weight gain? In today's video, we're going to unveil the hidden link between keto and cortisol that nobody talks about. Hi, I'm Lesya, a women's nutritionist, and in today's video, I have something truly eye-opening to discuss that every woman following the keto diet needs to know. Are you experiencing unexpected weight gain despite sticking to your keto regimen? Well, you're not alone. And guess what? It's not your fault. In fact, there's an underlying connection between your keto diet and cortisol, one that the keto experts won't tell you. So get ready to be surprised as I unveil the hidden link between keto and cortisol that can have a significant impact on your weight loss journey. And let me tell you, I wish I had known this information back when I started the keto diet in 2015. So let's start, shall we? Cortisol is often referred to as the stress hormone. Picture it as that little messenger in your body that responds to stress, whether it's physical or emotional. Cortisol plays a crucial role in our body's natural response to stress, helping us deal with those intense situations life throws at us. But here's the catch. When cortisol levels remain high for extended periods, it can have a significant impact on our weight loss journey. So how does cortisol affect weight loss, especially for women? Well, let's take a closer look. Cortisol influences our body's metabolism, appetite, and even the distribution of fat, especially around the belly area. When cortisol levels are elevated, it can hinder our progress in shedding those extra pounds. It's like having an unwanted roadblock on our weight loss highway. High cortisol levels not only hinder weight loss, but they can also lead to muscle loss. Imagine your body working hard to build lean muscle only to have cortisol break it down. It's like a wrecking ball that sabotages your efforts and leaves you feeling frustrated. And for us ladies, it can be even more challenging because women naturally have higher cortisol levels compared to men. So, keto and cortisol. Unfortunately, these are two things that don't always play nicely together. You see, while keto is like a superhero for weight loss, there's a sneaky villain called cortisol that can try to mess things up. Let's talk about the potential negative effects of increased cortisol on a keto diet. Picture this. You're on a journey to shed those extra pounds and you're doing great. But suddenly the scale starts tipping in the wrong direction and you wonder what's going on. Well, that's where our cortisol story begins. You know, cortisol is like that friend who overstays their welcome at a party. When it's around in excess, it can be a real buzzkill for your weight loss plans. First off, cortisol can put a damper on your weight loss goals. It's like a rain cloud on your sunny day. High cortisol levels can slow down your fat burning progress, making it feel like you're stuck in a never-ending loop of no progress. So that weight loss journey, it starts to feel more like a hike uphill in the pouring rain. It's important to understand that keto itself can be a bit of a stressor on your body. Keto is like throwing more firewood onto an already blazing bonfire. It can intensify the heat. When you're under stress, your body's cortisol levels are already elevated. Going keto, which drastically reduces your carb intake, is a significant shift for your system. It's like asking your body to run a marathon when it's already feeling a bit overwhelmed. So if you're already juggling a lot of stress balls in your life, going keto might feel like adding more balls to the mix. And trust me, no one's a pro at juggling stress balls while walking on a tightrope. Now let's talk about muscle, the superhero cape of your metabolism. You want to preserve it, right? Well, cortisol can be the villain that tries to steal it away. It's like a sneaky bandit in the night, breaking into your muscle bank. With high cortisol, you might notice that your muscle gains start to vanish. Your keto diet was meant to shed fat, not your hard-earned muscles. But hey, let's not just talk about the science. Let's bring in some real-life experiences. This was my story. I started the keto diet back in 2015, and after losing 110 pounds with the help of keto, after my pregnancies, I started gaining weight like crazy. The culprit? Take a wild guess. Our frenemy cortisol. I ended up gaining 50 pounds and lost a lot of muscle mass because of elevated cortisol levels and burned out adrenals. Luckily, I discovered carb cycling and implemented a lot of lifestyle changes that helped me finally lose the weight I had gained. I hope my story is a reminder that our bodies are intricate systems. High cortisol levels can throw a wrench into your keto gears, but the good news is that there is a solution: stress management methods and strategic carb cycling. So if you're a working mom who's been battling chronic stress, or you're certain that cortisol levels are on the high side, then I've got a game changer for you. I invite you to download my exclusive carb cycling cheat sheet. In this handy guide, I've laid out a roadmap to help you navigate the ups and downs of carb cycling. It's your secret weapon to bring those cortisol levels down and supercharge your fat loss goals. Click on the link in the description to download your copy. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.